Good Saturday morning, South Florida. It's meteorologist Jennifer Correa. It's not been too pretty out there with cloudy skies and rain as well this morning, plus fog developing over parts of Miami-Dade County, just adding worse to the situation. But it is a cool start. Temperatures dropped into the low and mid-60s. Now warming up very slowly. Of course, there's barely any sunshine. Let's talk about the showers, what we can expect for the rest of today by 12 p.m. Still, with spotty showers around, some could be heavy, but most will be light across Broward and Miami-Dade. Even the upper Keys getting a little bit of rain by 12 p.m. The Keys not seeing much this morning, though. But then, look at this. Later on, heavier showers will push a little more south and west over the rest of the Keys. Some light drizzles left over by the evening hours for Broward and Miami-Dade. Make sure you have the rain gear with you today, especially the raincoats. I suggest the raincoats because it's going to be breezy too, and the umbrellas may not be able to sustain those winds. Winds out of the east and northeast today up to 20 miles per hour. By the way, the high today only 76 degrees. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday, South Florida, and make it a great day, rain or shine.